Hi Mike, and today I'm going to be installing a light fixture that uses a rechargeable light bulb, which means I don't have to do anything with the electricity, so I'm excited about that. Should take all of about 5 minutes. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so my new light fixture is going to hang in place of this candle sconce, and so this comes down with one screw right there, so I'm going to get rid of this. Alright, so here are the instructions, and I am normally a huge fan of reading instructions, but I'm not liking these because it has you put the light bulb in last, and the light bulb is heavy, and this is a cheap fixture, and I think it's going to cause me problems. So I'm going to assemble everything, including the light bulb, and then hang everything on the wall at one time. So the shade, I'm going to leave the plastic on the shade because I'm going to get my dirty hands on this white shade and mess it up. The shade connects with a little coupling there. We'll tighten that up. All right, so I have pre-measured so these pins go through the holes correctly, so I don't have to mess with it while it's on the wall. Next step is to simply connect these two parts. You want to put a big fat washer on there because there could be some tension on it, especially with a heavy bulb. The bulb is really heavy because it's got a mechanism in it to charge the battery, and there's a battery in there as well. So I'm going to tighten this up, and then the whole fixture will sit on the wall like this and have light. All right, the last thing I'm going to do before I hang it on the wall is to put the bulb in, and this is a 4 to 12 watt LED. It says a rechargeable emergency bulb. I don't know about that, but let's see how this thing looks. Okay, there's a little remote. Looks like it's from China. There's the bulb, and there's the USB charging cord, and some instructions. I would not use this bulb in a regular light fixture with power on it. It's got a battery in it, and I'm sure bad things can happen. So there's a little on switch there. Okay, that's cool. Provides decent light. And this remote, on off. Okay, cool. So you can really put light anywhere you want it. I am going to put this bulb in, and this sucker is heavy, man. I'm telling you, with a cheap little light fixture like this, somebody walks by and brushes it with their shoulder and it's coming down, especially with these cheap fasteners. All right, the bulb's in. I'm going to put the mounting bracket on the wall next. All right, I've got this measured and marked out. It's level. I'm just going to make some lines here where I can drill a hole for the anchors, drill holes for the anchors, and drill. All right, there's my 2 holes for the anchors. Stuff that in, back of the drill, tap, tap. I should probably say you shouldn't do that. You should use the appropriate tool. But you know what? I'm holding the drill. Same thing you will be. And now it's time to put washers. Washer on the screw. Turn that in. And I'm going to do this twice because I got 2 screws. Well, the last thing I do before I actually hang this up is to remove the plastic on this shade, because we're at that point. I'm not going to touch it much more. All right, well, I removed the plastic off the lampshade, and you want to make sure that the seam on this lampshade is to the rear so that nobody can see it. And this will all be semi-adjustable once you get it up. The last step, of course, is to actually put this cover on the bolts, like so, and then this holds it to the wall. Like so, and now we test the light. Okay, cool. Easy. All right, well there it is installed. Let's turn it on. Boy, that just doesn't get much easier than that. I'm sure there's all kinds of settings for timers and whatnot, but that's pretty easy. Well, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.